How to set up Apple Pay on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your wallet app. This is the default app in your device. In case you are not able to find this app, you can head towards App Store, search for the app wallet, and then download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. Now navigate to the plus icon given at the top right corner. The fun options will appear. Click on the option Debit or Credit Card. Now click on Continue. You'll get two options, scan the card or enter card details manually. Choose the option of your choice. I have chosen enter card details manually. Now you have to provide your card information, name, card number, CVV and expiration date. With these information, your Apple Pay will be set up on your device. If you choose the option of scan, you will need to hold iPhone near the chip on the card to add it to wallet. With that, the card details will be automatically updated to your Apple Pay. So this way you can easily set up Apple Pay on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.